we had discussed up to the fifth problem yesterday. So today we shall continue on that is problems on area of a triangle. Okay, everybody note about the first problem concerned to the area of triangle. So usually you can write over there as question number 21 or 22nd. Okay, so let us take about the statement of the problem. Find the area of the triangle and the area of the triangle having the points a 1 1 2 that he has given a point as 1 comma 1 comma 2. Next b point he has given 2 3 5. Next c point he has given that is 1 comma 5 comma 5 as its vertices. So as you already well known, concerned to the triangle, there will be three vertices, that is 3 points. So area of the triangle, also you have taken that formula concerned to the area of the triangle. So that is 1 by 2 AB vector cross AC vector. So as you have done yesterday concerned to the that parallelogram, area of the parallelogram, as diagonals were given, okay, accordingly that so you were taken as d1 vector and d2 vector. Thereafter you carried out area of parallelogram, that is what 1 by 2 d1 vector cross d2 vector. Okay, in the same fashion here you are going to find out area of the triangle as 1 by 2 ab vector cross ac vector. Okay, let us so first note about the given data. So thereafter we shall proceed the solution. Whatever the data he has given, note those as a, so that is given data concerned to the vertices. Solution. Given data, vertices of a triangle he has given. So anyway, name ABC he has given. So let us consider those as a ABC, vertices of triangle. They are a point, that is 1 comma 1 comma 2. Second pointer, yes, Paramananda. What is the second point? Second vertex is second vertex B.
B sir, two
So what
point,
it
three
is?
point,
2, 3, 5. Next C point Sanket. C vertex C, that is 1 comma
Five.
5
Five.
comma 5. Okay. So now you can find out concern to the area of a triangle by making use of these vertices. Okay, let us consider now area of triangle. So first you can write the formula for that. Area of triangle, area of triangle. So what it is, A is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of a b vector cross
AC
AC.
vector cross AC vector modulus.
Okay, modulus of so ab vector cross AC vector. So first you can find out concern to the that AB vector. How you are going to find out the AB vector? So let us have here AB vector, that is equals to, so with the help of origin, so in terms of its position vector, so you are going to express that B point position vector as OB vector minus A point position vector as OA then you are going to get AB vector, you are going to get it OB minus OA. Okay, AB ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ second point of the position vector minus first point of the position vector you do, then you are going to get AB vector. ಸರಿ ಸರ್, OB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರೀರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ I ಕ್ಯಾಪ್, J ಕ್ಯಾಪ್, K ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ that OB is 2I cap, next plus ಹೇಳ್ರದು 3J cap, next
3J cap
plus
plus K 5 cap
K cap,
K cap.
okay, minus OA ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. So that is I cap 1 means of course coefficient it will be here 1 plus J
I
cap
cap plus J cap, I cap
next
plus J cap
plus 2 K cap.
2 K
Okay,
cap.
so you do the subtraction of these two vectors and then you are going to get the required AB. If you like to do here only you can do. So I am going to write it here. 2I cap minus I cap, but it will be, that is going to come out as just a I cap. Okay, 2 minus 1, that is 1 I cap. That's I cap. Next 3 J cap is there, minus J cap, then plus 2 J cap you are going to remain.
2 J cap.
Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5 K cap ಇದೆ. Next minus 2 K cap you are going to do, then it is going to come out as plus
3 K cap.
K cap. This is your required AB vector. Okay, so therefore I am going to write here as AB vector. Similarly, you have to carry out concern to the AC. So AC vector is equals to, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಪರಮಾನಂದ, AC vector is equals to, how you are going to, so find out that AC vector is equals to OC vector minus OA vector. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಿದಿರ್ತದದು ಎ ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಓ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓ ಎ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಓ ಸಿ? See here, C point is there as 1 5 5, so write it in a vector form, that is I cap. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? So plus
5 J cap plus 5 J cap.
J cap plus 5
K cap.
K cap. Okay na? Minus. What about the OA?
1 J cap.
So that
I
is
cap 1 I cap
I cap plus
J cap
plus J cap. Next
plus 2 K cap
plus 2
K cap.
K cap. Okay, if you like to write here only, you can write concern to the simplification, or else you can write below that here. So here I cap is there, minus I cap, so that is going to come out as 0 I cap. Okay, I cap minus I cap 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. Next 5 J cap minus J cap
4 J
plus
cap
4 J cap.
K J cap 4 J cap.
Okay, next 5 K cap is there, minus 2 K cap ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅದು? 5 minus 2
plus 3 K cap
plus 3
plus 3 K
3 K cap. This is required AC vector. Okay, now this is about the required AC vector. So once you got AB vector and AC vector, so as you calculated yesterday also, concerned to the that A vector cross B vector you have done, or else one more time you carried out concern to the what that is diagonals D1 cross D1 vector cross D2 vector also. In the same way, now you to find out concern to the AB vector cross AC vector. So let us do that one. AB vector cross AC vector. So that is determinant of ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸಂಕೇತದ ಏನಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು? So tell about that, how you are going to express. So
I
this
cap,
I
plus
cap,
J cap.
first row
I
it
cap,
is I
J
cap,
cap,
J cap, K cap it is.
K cap.
Okay, next AB vector
One,
you write
two.
it in a second. Coefficients of that AB vector you write it in a second row.
One sir, one.
One, next
Two,
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 next
three,
three.
three.
Okay, concern to the AC vector.
0,
0,
4,
4,
3.
3. Coefficients of I cap, J cap and K cap. So expand along the first row. So first row going to expand madrದು. So for that you are going to take as plus minus plus. Okay, you do the expansion and tell it to me. Anybody? Anyone?
Cap is equal to I cap is
Just a minute, just a minute. Yes. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗ, that is I cap of determinant. So you leave
3,
this
4,
column, you leave this row and write remaining elements. They are 2, 3, next is 4,
4, 3.
4, 3. Okay, minus J cap of. So ಇದು complete
1, 3.
column ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು complete row ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. So remaining elements ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ 1, 3, 0, 3. Okay. Next that is K cap of. So you have to
1,
leave this complete column and this complete so row, write the remaining. They are 1, 2,
0,
0, 4.
4.
Okay. Next you do the simplification and tell me what you are going to get. I cap of. So that is 2 into 3. So 6 minus. So compulsory on this side you are going to take as a minus, that is 4 into
2, 3, 6.
is a 12.
4 into
Okay.
12.
Next minus J cap of 1 into 3, that is 3, minus, so 0 into 3, that is 0 only. Next plus K cap of 1 into 4,
4 into 1, 4.
minus 0 into
0 into
0. Okay, na? So simplify that and tell it to me what vector A cross B, AB cross AC vector you are going to get. So this you are going to get it here as 6 minus 12, that is minus 6 I cap. Next, so minus J cap is there, 3 minus 0, 3, 3 into minus J, that is minus 3 J cap. Next, so 4 is here, 4 minus
Plus
0,
4 cap.
4 only. Next, so into K cap, that is 4 K cap. This is about what it is. Therefore AB vector cross AC vector it is required, AB vector cross AC vector. So clear to everybody about this step? Okay, this is the most important. Once you got AB vector cross AC vector, what you have to do now? So write once again concern to the formula of that area of that triangle. Now you are solving area of triangle problems. Okay, let us write that area of triangle. Area of triangle A is equals to that it is 1 by 2 AB vector cross AC vector. Modulus you have to find out. Yes, who would like to tell about this? Concern to the Kashinath, tell about this modulus AB vector cross AC vector, that it is there as minus 6
Minus 6
yeah,
J cap.
minus 3 J cap plus 4k
Plus
cube.
4k cap.
So its modulus, it is going to come out square root of minus 6 square plus of minus 3 square. Next plus 4 square. You do the simplification concerned to the that 1 by 2 root of 36 plus 9, okay, 3 square. Next plus 16. If you do the simplification, so what you are going to get, is it root 61?
Root 61 divided by 2.
Okay, root 61 divided by 2 square units, SQ units. So this is required area of a triangle. Okay, similar to the whatever problem you carried out concerned to the area of a parallelogram using diagonals. In the same way, today you carried out concerned to the area of a what it is, triangle. Clear to everybody? Is there any doubt to anybody? Yes. Paramananda, clear about this problem? Huh? Yes, Rakesh, any doubt? Clear about that problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go towards the next problem of a similar kind. Let us see, can have the second problem on area of triangle itself. So have that one here. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle having the points. A point he has given, that is 1 1 1. Next B point he has given as 1 2 3. Next C point he has given as 2 3 1 as its vertices. So similar fascinate how you carried out for the previous one, in the same way you do it. So let us, we shall solve that at past. Let us take the given data first. Solution. Given data. Whatever the vertices of triangle he has given, so let us take those as already he has given as ABC itself. Vertices of triangle are, so A point, that is A vertex is 1 comma 1 comma 1 he has given. Next B in kotidandre, what he has given B, so that he has
1
given
2 3
as
1
1 comma
5
2
3.
comma 3. Okay, next C pointer, that is C vertex.
2 comma 3 comma 1.
Okay, so now you can write concern to the formula for area of triangle. So what is the formula for that? Already you taken a previous problem. In previous problem you taken concern to the area of, so that is triangle A is equals to, that is what, 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector cross AC vector.
Class AC vector modulus.
Okay, so as you done concern to the AB vector, so in the same way you do here also be, that is OB vector minus OA vector. Okay, OB vector, who would like to tell? Rakesh, tell about that OB vector. So here is B point. its position vector you are going to write as in a vector form. Express this in a vector form, that is I cap. Okay, just you have to multiply as I cap, k cap, sorry, I cap, j cap and k cap to these points. Okay, I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3
Cap.
k cap. Okay,
Minus
next minus concern to this we can take,
I cap
that is I
plus
cap
2
plus j cap plus
K
k
cap.
cap. Okay, so let us go ahead concern to the AB as OB minus OA, that is we have written here. So you do the simplification, that is Ramananda tell its simplification, that is I cap minus I cap, that is going to come out as 0 I cap. Next up 2 j
0 I
cap
cap right?
minus j
J
cap,
cap
that is
plus
plus j cap. Okay, next up 3 k cap minus k cap, then it is going to
plus
come
2
as
cap.
plus 2 k cap. So this is your required AB vector. Once you got AB vector, similarly you find out concern to the AC vector. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಸಂಕೇತ್ ಹೇಳ್ರದು concern to the AC vector as how you are going to write this one as
V vector minus
that is OC
OA
vector
vector.
minus OA vector it is. Okay, OC vector
Two j
that is 2
I
2 I cap. Okay, next plus
plus 3 j cap
plus 3 j cap
plus
plus
k cap
k cap minus
minus
next
I cap
I cap
plus j cap
cap
plus
plus
k cap.
k cap. Okay, you do simplification and tell it at first. 2 I cap minus
I cap
I cap, that is just remaining is I cap.
I cap plus
So
J cap 2 J cap
3 j cap minus j cap antandra 2
plus
j
2
plus
J
2
cap
j
is
cap
going to remain. Okay, next k cap
K cap
minus k cap,
K
that is
0
going to come out as
0 k cap.
0 k cap.
0 K cap.
Okay, fine. So once you got about vector AB, vector AC, you have to calculate now concern to the AB vector cross AC vector. Previous ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ AB vector cross AC vector ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ ಬಳಿಕ ಒಂದು vector ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. So then you write this formula and substitute in this. Okay, let us carry out it now. That is AB vector cross AC vector, which is equals to ಏನಿದು determinant of so that two vectors whatever he has given, express it in terms of determinant and find out it. ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂತರು I cap, next J cap, next K cap you are going to write. Second row ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಪರಮಾನಂದ, what you are going to write it in a second row, you use that AB vector, so that is 0 coefficient of this
1 2
1, next is 2.
2
So Mithun Pawar, what about that third row, you use AC vector and then so write its coefficient. Yes, tell me at past concern to the coefficients. Here that is there as 1
1 2 0 ರೀ
1
1 2 0
2, next is 0.
0 0
Okay, fine. Next you expand along the first row, that is plus minus plus. Next what you have to do here, just expanding of that determinant and tell me that what you are going to get. So that you are going to get, you leave this complete column and then complete row, write the remaining terms. Then complete column, see here how you are going to ignore. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಸೊ ರೋ ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. That is 1 2 2 0. Okay, minus j cap of. So ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಪರ್ಮನಂತ? If you leave this column, if you leave this row, you are going to
0 to
get 0
1 0
to 1
1
0.
0.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೋ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಫ್
1 0 1 1 2
0 1 1 2.
1 2.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you are leaving this complete so that column and you are going to ignore this complete row, then remaining elements they are 0 1 1 2. Okay, now you do the simplification and what is that AB vector cross AC vector you are going to get, that is I cap
0
of
into
that is
0.
1 into
0
0
into
0
1.
minus 2 into so 4
Minus 4.
that's 4
Minus
minus
4.
4. Okay, speed up, that is 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 2 that is 2.
Minus 2.
Okay, plus k cap of that is 0 into 2
0
0
1.
minus
0
1
minus 1.
1 1. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 that is
4
minus 4 I cap. Next
plus
minus j
2
cap, so minus 2 that is going to come out as plus 2
minus
j cap.
plus
Okay, plus
j
k cap
k cap
minus 1 is there, that is going to come out as minus k cap. Okay, minus k cap. This is the required AB vector cross AC vector. Once you obtained that AB vector cross AC vector, so let us use formula concerned to that. Mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಪರ್ಮನಂದದು. So now area of triangle, so that is A is equals to, already you written in a previous problem also concerned to the area of the triangle formula, that is AB vector cross AC vector. Already you found out concerned to the AB vector cross AC vector as a minus 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Okay, right here that is next minus k cap. ಸಂಕೇತ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, find out and tell it to me its modulus. So speed of root of that is going to come out
root
as
of 4 square
minus
Square root of minus 4 square
plus 2
plus 2 square
plus of
plus of minus 1 square.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is 16, this is
16 plus 4 plus 1.
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
plus 1.
ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು?
1 by 2.
Root 21 by 2.
root 21. So this 1 by 2 you multiply, that is root 21 by 2 square units. Okay, this is the required area of that triangle for the given vertices. Clear about this problem also? Okay, so in the similar way you can solve any number of problems. So if it is required, one more, I think one more problem is also be there on this, so we shall go towards that. Prashant, clear about this problem or any doubt about Prashant, any doubt in this problem? So is it clear? Concerned to the next Mithun Power clear agide? Okay, next Bandi, any doubt about this problem concerned to the area of the triangle? Clear agide. Okay, let us go ahead towards the next problem. We shall proceed. Okay, you can take third problem. So concerned to the area of the triangle itself. So let us write over there as question number 21 or 22. Find the area of the triangle ABC whose position vectors of A, B and C, whatever the vertices ABC he has given, so its position vector itself he has given in the problem instead of giving the points. Okay, so that he has given as I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. This is the position vector of A. Next, position vector of B he has given, that is the what, 2j cap plus k cap. What is missed here? Which one is missed? That is I cap is missed. So whatever the I cap has missed, that you have to take as a 0 times of I cap. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು 0 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3k cap. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಂಕೇತ? What is missed
cap
here?
miss.
I
I
cap
cap.
has missed. So that I cap, whatever it has missed, so that you to take as a 0 times of that I cap. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ 0 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಅದು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 0 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. Okay, let us have the solution of this problem. So first you mention the given data. He has given directly here as the position vectors of a respective vertices. Position vectors of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So they are what they are. So OA. So first point that is the A and its position vector is OA, that is given as I cap. Next minus j cap plus 2k cap. Similarly, what about the second vertex, that is B? Its position vector he has given. So first whatever he has given, write that as it is. Thereafter you take that as a missed term as a 0 times. ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದು 0 times ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. First of all he has given 2j cap plus k cap. So ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತಿರಿದು ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವದು? So here 2j cap plus k cap it is there, but I term is not there. So what you have to do that 0 times of I cap. Okay, plus
0 times of I cap.
Okay, plus 2j cap plus k cap. So this is about the what? So OB vector. Next, concern to the C vertex. So that he has given here, that is OC vector, that is position vector of that C vertex. So whatever he has given, first you write that concern to the, that is C vertex position vector that it is j cap plus 3k cap, which is equals to, which can be written as how? Just here I cap is missed, that I cap whatever it is not given, you have to take it as 0 times of that.
0 I cap.
Cap plus j cap plus 3k cap.
3k cap.
Now if you observe this, so OA is here, OB vector is here, OC vector is there. So as you solved previous problem, in the same way you find out AB vector and then AC vector, and you do the, so that AB vector cross AC vector, and then you can find out the modulus. You are going to get the required area. So let us write concern to the that formula of a area of triangle. Area of triangle What is the formula, Paramananda? Area of triangle concerned to the, so
A
that
is equal to 1 by
A is equals to 1 by 2 of that
AB vector
modulus of
modulus
AB
AB
vector
vector
cross
plus B
AC vector.
cross AC vector divided by modulus.
Okay, 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector cross AC vector. So we have to find out what is that AB vector. AB vector, as you were taken in previous problems, that is what? OB vector minus OA vector. Just in terms of position vector of a second point and minus position vector of a first point. So what about the OB here? That is 0 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap.
3k cap.
No, that is plus k cap only. Here
Sorry,
is
k cap.
OB vector minus OA vector. So concerned to the position vector of so that A vertex that is he has given,
I
that
cap
is I
minus
cap
j cap
minus j cap plus
plus
2k.
2k cap.
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡು, ಹೇಳು ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 minus 1, that is minus okay
Minus
minus I cap.
I cap.
Next here is plus 2j. Next minus plus it is going to happen. Be careful. So ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು 2j cap minus plus j cap. So ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ
4k cap.
ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು 3j cap. Okay, next up that is here is k cap minus 2k cap. Then you are going to remain, that is minus k cap. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, that is minus k cap. So similarly you find out concern to the AC. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸಂಕೇತ್, ಇದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ, ಇದು AC vector is OC vector minus OB
Minus
vector.
OA.
Okay, AC vector ಏನಿದೆ, ಸಾರಿ OC vector ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು, that is
J plus
0 I cap
J
plus
I cap plus
J cap
J cap
plus
plus
3k
3k cap
minus
minus
again that OA vector as it is, you write it I
I cap
minus J
minus J cap plus 2k cap.
plus 2k cap. Okay, simplify ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. So 0 minus 1, that is minus I cap. Okay, next
2j cap plus 2j
plus
cap
2j cap, that is I minus plus, that is sorry j cap minus plus j cap, total it will be 2j cap. Next 3k
plus
cap
k cap
minus 2k cap ಅಂತಂದ್ರ, so that is going to remain here plus
Plus k cap.
okay, this is AB vector. Next AC vector is here. So now you have to find out what that AB vector cross AC vector, which is going to come out as, so what it is, that is the determinant of so that you can express these two vectors in terms of a determinant by taking first row as I cap, j cap and then k cap. Second row daga idrad ಹೇಳ್ರಿ coefficients. Okay, so its coefficient you tell, that is minus 1. Next up
Minus 1, 3.
minus 1. Okay, next its
Minus 1.
coefficient minus
Minus 1,
2.
2,
Next 1.
1.
Expound along the first row. Mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ disturbance ಇದೆ, mute it. So plus minus plus. So expound along the first row. So that is minus plus plus you have taken. So tell it at first. I cap of, you leave this column, you leave this, so row 3 minus 1 2 1 you are going to get. Next minus j cap of, you leave this complete column, you leave this complete row, you are going to remain, that is minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1. Next plus k cap of, so that you are going to write as determinant of what you are going to get here. You leave this complete row, you leave this complete column, write this -1 3
minus
plus
1 3
2.
minus 1 2.
Simplify that and tell it at past. So what you are going to get, that one here, that is 1 into 3 3. So minus minus plus is going to happen, that is so 2 here minus j cap of, that is minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Next here minus minus plus, again minus 1 plus k cap of that minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. On this side minus, you are going to take minus is there here, plus of 3. Okay, if you simplify this one, you are going to get it as 5 I cap. Next minus minus, so that is going to come out as so first of all plus 2 j cap. Next here minus 2 plus 3, that is you are going to get as plus 1 k cap. Okay, so once you got that AB vector cross AC vector, this is your required AB vector cross AC vector. Find out its modulus, that is the area of a triangle. Area of triangle, write that formula and find out. That is A is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector cross AC vector. Do this one please. Anybody, you can tell it at past. Okay, 5 I cap plus 2 j
plus 2 j cap plus k cap
plus
Plus k cap.
k cap. Okay, 1 by 2 modulus of that, it is 5 square plus 2 square plus 1 square.
2 square k cap.
1 by
1 square.
25 plus 4 plus 1, that you are going to get as root 30 by 2 SQ units. This is the required area of a triangle. Take a problems on sine of angle between two vectors, A vector and B vector. That is already, so I dictated about that sine of the angle between, and that on that you can write as 100% fixed for 3 marks. Usually question number 35 or 36 it is going to appear. So just once again I am going to write that formula concerned to the sine of the angle between two vectors. That what it is, modulus of A vector cross B vector divided by, so modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector. This is the formula for the calculation of angle between two vectors, sine of the angle between them. Okay, by making use of this, so we shall solve two problems. Let us have first problem here. Find the sine of the angle between. He is going to mention a sine of the angle between. If not, you can find out the cos theta. Already you have done in the same way. You're supposed to carry out that. If just it is find the angle between in that way. So if there is cross product, then we are going to use sine of the angle between. If it is a dot product, cos of the angle between. Already we discussed and we solved the many of the problems on that. Let us have about this problem here. Find the sine of the angle between the vectors. Whatever the vectors he has given, so let us take that first itself is the A, second is the B vector. So first vector he has given I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap, and second vector he has given as 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. So first ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು A vector ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, second vector ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನ B vector ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Next ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದನವ, sine of the angle between those vectors he has asked, that is sine of theta is question mark. Okay, let us mention solution concerned to the given data. You can specify as a given data whatever he has given. Two vectors, so he has given, so first vector you can consider as a let A vector is equals to, so what that is A vector, it is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is the A vector. And B vector, so what is there permanent the B vector? It is there as 3 cap. Here it is.
2 cap plus 2 cap, 2 cap
plus 6
plus 6 cap, 6 cap.
disturbance ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. So that is A vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. B vector is 3 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. What he has asked, sign of the angle between those two, that is sin theta is question mark. Okay, once again, as you taken that formula for the sign of the angle between, that you can write it here once again. Constant to the, so sign of the angle between those two vector, sin theta is equals to, that it is there as modulus of A vector cross B vector divided by modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector it is. What you have to do now? So you have to find out concern to the what is that A cross B. Already many problems we have solved on that A cross B. So let us find out now also the A cross B. That you well known, you are going to express it in terms of determinant, that is I cap, J cap, K cap. Yes, A vector is here, its coefficient you write it in a second row, that is 1, 2, 2. Next, constant to its coefficient, B vector coefficient, write it here, that is 3, 2, what it is 6. Once you expressed that in terms of determinant, you expound along the first row, that is plus minus plus. Sanket ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು past ಗೆ expansion of that determinant? Yes, tell it at past. I cap of determinant.
I cap of
So that
2.
you leave this column, you leave this row, you write this. Okay, tell it. So that is 2,
2,
2, 2,
2,
6.
6.
Okay. So next
Minus
one is
J cap.
J cap of, you leave this column, you leave this
1,
row, that remaining elements
1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
3, 6.
6. Next comes
Plus K cap.
K cap of, you leave this column, you leave this row, then write the remaining term.
1, 2, 3, 2.
3,
1, 2, 3, 2.
okay. ಅಲ್ಲಿದು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರದು ಯಾರ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. So that is I cap of, so that is 2 into 6, that is 12, minus 2 into 2, that is what, 4, minus J cap of, that is 1 into 6, 6, minus, so 3 into 2, that is again 6. On this side you are taking minus, that's why it is minus 6. Plus K cap of, that is 1 into 2, that is 2, minus on this side, that is 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so you do the simplification. What else you are going to get? You tell it at first. So here 12 minus 4, that is 8, you are going to remain, that is what, 8 I cap. Next here 6 minus 6, that is 0, it is going to come out either minus 0 J cap or plus 0 J cap, you can write, no problem. Here 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 K cap you are going to get. This is what, whatever the A cross B, it is A vector cross B vector you obtain, and you need its modulus. If you observe this formula, you are going to, so going to calculate about modulus of A vector cross B vector. You need that modulus of A vector cross B vector, so that you can find out it now. Therefore modulus of A vector cross B vector, that is modulus of 8 I cap minus 0 J cap minus 4 K cap. So tell me the modulus of this value. What it is? Under root of 8 square, next plus of minus 0 square, whatever it is, just 0 it is. Next plus of minus 4 square. So it is going to come out as what, please? That is root of 64 plus 0 plus 16. It will be what it is, root 80. Okay, root 80. That root 80 can be written as, so how he has expressed, you can see here, that is 16 into 5 he has done. So 16 into 5, that is going to come out as 4 root 5. So I am going to write it here. Therefore, once again I will put that a cross b, that is a vector cross b vector modulus, as you got it as root 80. Root 80 can be written it as 16 into 5. So then it is root 16, that is 4, you are going to get 4 root 5. So you can write in front of that also, no problem. So that is you obtained as modulus of a vector cross b vector as 4 root 5. Then what is the next? So if you observe this formula, so you calculated this modulus of a vector cross b vector, then you need to calculate about modulus of a, modulus of b. Once you got all those, you substitute in this, you are going to get the required sign of the angle between them. So and concern to the modulus of a. What is a vector? That already you have taken here, that is I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. That modulus is going to come out as root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Then it will be 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is root 9. Root 9 means that is 3. So Paramananda, you tell about that, so concern to the modulus of b vector, that it is there as 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap, it is there modulus of b. So concern to the modulus of b, it is root of 3 square, okay, plus 2 square plus 6 square. It is going to come out as 9 plus 4 plus 36, which is equals to root 49. Root 49 means 7 it is. Once you obtained all those, so just you have to substitute in this equation, that is sin theta is equals to modulus of a cross a vector cross b vector, and then divided by modulus of a modulus of b. Once again, if you'd like to write and substitute, no problem. So let us write that formula once again. Therefore, sine of theta, that is sin theta is equals to modulus of a vector plus b vector divided by modulus of a modulus of b vector, which is equals to, as you obtained that modulus of a cross b as what it is, so that is there as 4 root 5 divided by modulus of a you obtained as 3. What about modulus of b, Sanketa? What is the modulus of b here? That it is
7.
7. So you simplify that, you are going to get it as 4 root 5 divided by 21. So this is a required sign of the angle between two vectors, whatever he has given. That is 4 root 5 divided by 21. This is the angle between, so whatever the two vectors he has given. Clear to everybody? This is 3 marks problem. So most expected problem for your main examination. So one more problem on sign of the angle between we shall solve, and thereafter, so further we shall continue it in a evening class. Okay, so let us take towards the second problem. I think everybody written this. Okay, let us go ahead. So second problem. So take that as second problem. This was appeared in the year 2015 June for 2 marks. This was appeared because everything he has given, just you have to make use that sign of the theta formula, and you have to simplify that. So let us take that statement of the problem. Let modulus of a vector that he has given 3. Next, mod of b vector he has given root 2 by 3, and mod of a vector cross b vector, it is 1. Then he has asked to find the angle between a vector and b vector. Somebody, they are going to get confusion whether shall we find out cos of the angle between, that is cos theta or sin theta. I am going to clarify here. If he has given in a statement of the problem as modulus of a cross b vector, then you compulsory use as sin theta. If he gives as a vector dot b vector, then you supposed to use as a cos theta. That thing you have to keep in your mind. He has given here modulus of a vector cross b vector, then you have to use compulsorily sin of the theta, that is sin theta you have to calculate. Clear to everybody? This point has to be noted so that you are going to solve it correctly. Okay, let us take about that. ಅವ ಏನಾರೆ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಕಾಸ್ ತೀಟ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನವ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕದು. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ತೀಟ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್. Solution, given data. So whatever else he has given concerned to that you mention clearly. Modulus of a he has given ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ modulus of a, that he has given as a 3. Next modulus of b ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, that he
root 2 by 3.
root 2 by 3. And one more also he has given what it is, that is modulus of a vector cross b vector, it is 1 he has given. ಸರಿ, ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle between a and b he has asked. So let us take angle between a vector and b vector, that is what, so that is question mark, right there as theta. We are going to denote as a angle between those two, so that is theta is question mark. So then, as I stated, there may be the question about what sin theta whether shall we use or cos theta shall we use, that question comes. So for this case he has given a cross b vector, modulus of a vector cross b vector, then definitely how to use as a sign of the angle between them only. If it is a dot b, then you compulsory use as cos of the angle between that, cos theta. Okay, now you can have that angle between a vector and b vector, that is given by sin theta is equals to modulus of a vector plus b vector divided by, so that is a
vector modulus
okay, modulus of
b vector modulus.
Just you substitute all those values you already well known, so just substitute and simplify, you are going to get the required angle. This it is there as 1. Next modulus of a, it is 3. Okay, next modulus of b, it is there as root 2
by 3.
Okay, this 3
cancelled.
shall cancel that. So once you cancelled, then you are going to get
1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2.
Okay, you are going to get as sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2, you are going to get it. That is 1 by root 2 is the sin theta value. So he has asked what is the theta, so implies that theta is equals to sin inverse 1 by
2.
root by 2.
For which angle
Only root.
sine is having 1 by root 2? For which angle it is?
Sir, by
So that is pi by, so 4.
Pi by 4.
Okay.
pi by 4.
So sine inverse 1 by
Theta
root 2 means
is
that is pi by 4. That is 45 degree you are going to call. That is angle is. So theta is equals to 5 by 4.
4.
Okay. So